Hello guys, here's Kira Kraftzoff again, and now we're gonna check full cello by Arc-Verona. This is Scholar set, actually a pretty cheap one, amazingly cheap for the quality in my opinion. It's cost 1,500 euros, something just plus minus tax or whatever, but I will leave the link in the video description. And now we're gonna check what happened with this cello. It was built yesterday night, Monday, today Tuesday, and nobody played before. I'm the first one, they trust me. Let's check what's happened. So it's a full cello, Scholar set by Arc-Verona.de. I just tuned it before. Just amazing. For this price, incredible. It's really beautiful made, very comfortable to play, round sound, and very, very bass. It sounds really great work. Thank you, Arc-Verona, that you are offering such instruments for such a price. I highly recommend this company. It's amazing. Kira Kraftzoff, don't forget to subscribe on the channel, and also, about the master classes. There's already so many people that soon will be no place for my master classes. Well, stay healthy. It's very nice to try this instrument with you guys. Thank you very much.